Hi everyone, this is Miss Kennedy with our next history lesson. As promised, we are going to explore the Midwest region, states, and capitals. As always, we refer to our history standard, the reason that we're learning about the states and capitals. It's 5.9 in the California Department of Education standards for history. We need to know the location and the names of both the state and the capitals. As we already mentioned, we're talking about these Midwest states indicated by the blue arrow on the screen. And here are all of the states. You can download a map of the Midwest region. Go ahead and pause this video if you want to do that so you can follow along. You can also download the blank version so that you can copy the information down as opposed to printing the one that already has the information on it. So on the map, the capitals are marked with a star and the states are depicted in bold font and capital letters. So starting at the top left, let's review the capitals. In North Dakota, we have Bismarck, South Dakota, Pierre, Nebraska, Lincoln, Kansas, Topeka, Minnesota, St. Paul, Iowa, Des Moines, Jefferson City is the capital of Missouri, Wisconsin, Madison, Illinois, Springfield, Michigan, Lansing, Indiana, Indianapolis, Ohio, and Columbus. While you're looking at this map, if you've been to any of these states already, go ahead and color it in. Here are some facts about the Midwest region. In this region, we'll be trying to recall the location and capitals for 12 of the states. Particularly in the north of this region, it borders Canada. This area of the United States is known as America's Heartland because there's quite a bit of agriculture, farming, dry land. It's known for wheat, oat, and corn. Maneuvering east to west throughout this area, it's located between the Rocky Mountains, which are west that border the western region, and the Appalachian Mountains in the eastern direction. There are no oceans in this region. However, if you have the opportunity to go to Google Earth, take a look at what are known as the Great Lakes. There are 5 lakes, and these are freshwater lakes. Starting at the top, they are called Lake Superior. Going to the east or to the right, Lake Ontario, Lake Erie, Lake Huron, and Lake Michigan. So these lakes together span about 750 miles. Lake Superior, the most northern of all the lakes, is the largest and the deepest of the lakes. It is also the most dangerous. Driving around all of the lakes is about 6,500 miles. Although not really depicted here, in this area of the Midwest region, there are supposedly about 35,000 small islands. And another fun fact is that the names of each lake are from Native American tribes. In the Midwest is a landmark known as Mount Rushmore. It's located near Rapid City in South Dakota. It includes the presidential faces of George Washington, Thomas Jefferson, Theodore Roosevelt, and Abraham Lincoln. The height is about 5,275 feet, which is roughly about a mile. And it took about 400 people to help create this, and the project lasted 14 years, and it attracts a lot of tourists every year to South Dakota, which was one of the reasons why it was built. If you have an opportunity, watch the Frostburg cartoon so that you can learn more about Mount Rushmore. You can also find more information on Epic Books. Most of our teachers have their students set up on Epic Books, and this will be part of your nonfiction reading. You can read about the states individually, or you can read about what's in the Midwest. And as always, our strategies for learning about the 50 states. Watch the video. It's titled Tour the States. It's on YouTube. It's set to a really cool beat, and it's a rap version and illustration coupled together. Create flashcards. Label blank maps for practice. Quiz yourself or your family members. Use Quizlet. And this week I added another one. There's some maps in Dollar Store that will help you recall the United States and capitals. So next time when I see you, we'll be talking about the Southern Region capitals. I hope you enjoyed this presentation. And go back and pause it and copy your map and use your study tips. And I look forward to doing a Kahoot with you on states and capitals.